Hello, my name is Valkyria.
I'm Madison.
I'm Diana.
And we are from Keiser Blog from the Nutrition and Dietetics program.
Today we're going to be making some spooky, healthy pumpkin pancakes. The ingredients we're using today are almond milk, pumpkin puree, 2 eggs, vanilla extract. We have monk fruit. You could substitute with any other sweetener, cinnamon, and whole wheat flour. Start with cracking the 2 eggs. Then we'll add our almond milk. Here you could substitute for oat milk or regular milk, pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, monk fruit, cinnamon, and last but not least, our wheat flour.
So we just mix it in the mixer until it's fully combined.
You'll want to heat a non-stick skillet to medium heat.
You can oil the skillet with any ghee or butter that you have, just a little bit.
We're gonna be using oil silicone molds to make the pancakes, but if you don't have them, that's okay. You can use whatever you have at home. And we're gonna start by putting it right here. We take a little bit of the butter, a little, like this. Just take this off, and then you will flip. Here's the finished product. You can top it with whatever you want. This time we did some nuts and maple syrup.
We hope you enjoyed the recipe, making it with your family.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!